Hello. Back with another unboxing slash review for you. I like knives, so I decided to pick up this one myself here. It's the Pocket Samurai. I was reading somewhere about these, or a video on YouTube maybe, or something like that, and the knife intrigued me. Inexpensive at $20, and it's $19.99 on Amazon for every color except black, which for some reason is $43. But this is the a gray color, and as you can see, I haven't even opened it yet. It is the StatGear Pocket Samurai Folding Knife for EDC. This is the aluminum handle edition. It is 440C stainless steel. There's a keyring loop, pocket clip, aircraft aluminum, which would be the outside, of course. Okay, so let's see here. How would be the easiest way to get this open? Hey, if I had a knife, that would work, huh? Alright, let's do this. Yeah, maybe. Watch me slice my hand open, right? Trying to get it out of here. It's a small knife, as you can see. It's meant to be EDC, everyday carry style of knife, which is what I wanted. But I also like the idea that it is, you know, a samurai type of deal. It is a liner lock, and if you open it up like that, it does have the curved profile of a samurai sword. It's very lightweight, and as you can see, it's very small. Can't find a length. 120 millimeters, 51 millimeters the blade, 10 millimeter width on the blade. But there it is. There we've got the StatGear logo, 440C. I've read somewhere what the Japanese letters mean, the characters mean, but I don't remember what they are, or I can't find it actually. It does have a thumb stud for you to open it up. There's a little clip on the back, and here's the key ring as well. You can remove the clip if you want, just some hex screws. The liner lock is inside here. Now this just opens, and I just stabbed myself with it. Again, I just opened this, so it's going to be very sharp. And as you can see, it's nice and small. I love the design on the handle. Wish it was both sides, but it's not, because if you took this off, you would have it on both sides. But oh well. The design is supposed to be like the handle of a samurai sword, basically. But open it up. Well, yeah, that ain't gonna work much. It's new, so it needs to be broken in. But it does lock very well. Let's see here real quick. Pretty good. It supposedly holds a edge well, and it supposedly is easy to sharpen. I very much do like the Tanto style tip on this knife. It feels nicely made. It's you know, all aluminum, as I said, and for what it is, it seems nice. I mean, I would have to actually, you know, carry it around and use it and all that. Not sure about the legalities of it, but then again, it is so small. I'm not sure if anybody would actually, you know, cite you for it. I mean, you know, they might, but whatever. And I don't think you're actually going to scare anybody with it either if you pull it out in a knife fight. But it's meant to be an EDC knife, which, you know, to open stuff, cut whatever you need to cut. But the blade is sharp, nice and sharp. Pocket Samurai from StatGear. I mean, for 20 bucks, I think it's well worth it. Won't really know much until I, you know, really start to use it and all that, and start carrying it and see how it lasts. But all right, thanks.